Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 6000 amp 15 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase, does have ramp controls on it. You can see there at the bottom right. Overall dimensions, 45 inches long by 45 inches wide by 74 inches high. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. And come around the backside here. Unit weighs roughly 2,800 pounds. And we'll come back around here to the remote that is mounted on the unit. Hit the start button, get it going. And after the ramp, unit goes up. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.